Let's go.
Hands up.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, hello. Here comes Joe. Grab the parcels, now let's go. Hello, hello. Ozzy do our deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign.
You sign.
A sign to say hands up. Dizzy, Dizzy, hello, hello. Here is Joe. Hello, hello. Ozzy do deliveries to you. Hands up. Let's make a sign. A sign to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Okay, thank you for calling Dizzy Deliveries. Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Beans, the musical fruit. The more you eat, the more you...
Hello, Joe. It's Siobhan McSweeney.
Ah, hello, Siobhan McSweeney.
Joe, I'm calling about my tea order. I ordered a big box of Irish tea. The tea here is not the same in London. Do you know when it will be delivered?
Let me check the Dizzy system. Wait. Ah, yes. Tea to London to Siobhan. That will be with you on Tuesday.
Brilliant stuff. Thank you, Joe. Bye-bye.
On Tuesday. Maybe not next Tuesday, but it'll definitely be on a Tuesday.
Hello, Joe. It's delivery time.
I love deliveries.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering coffee beans, a frother, and carrot cake to the cafe.
Great.
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you. Nathan and John are waiting for you, and they will help you with your deliveries.
Let's go.
Hands up. Hands up.
Oh, hello.
Hey, Joe.
Hello. I'm looking for Nathan and John.
They're inside.
Ah, thank you. Oh, nice hat.
Thank you.
Ah, hello everyone. I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Nathan.
Hello, my name is John.
And I have some deliveries for you.
We need coffee beans today.
Coffee beans?
We need coffee.
My first delivery. Wait here.
No.
No, no.
Coffee beans.
Thank you, Joe.
Coffee. Let's love sign. Coffee. Coffee. You sign. Coffee. Good. Coffee.
Joe, we're going to be very busy today.
I can help.
Hey, I can help too.
No, I'm not sure. You're taking the order. Joe,
Sorry.
I made the coffees now, and they will help with the milk.
What can I do to help?
You can take the orders today.
Good. Woo!
He's silly.
Yeah, he's very silly. Look at the mess we have to
look.
clean up after his mess.
Hello, can I have your order, please?
A cappuccino.
A cabbage coffee. Oh, hello, can I have your order, please? A decat. No problem, we'll have one of them for you.
Let's clean up now.
Yeah. Joe make a mess.
Yeah, Joe makes very messy.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello, I've been waiting for you.
Why, do I know you?
No, I don't think so. I just want to order a coffee.
Oh, yes. What would you like?
An Americano, please.
Cork a cano.
And I will have a slice of drizzle cake. Excuse me, I will have... Excuse me, I will have a slice... I never.
I've been very busy. A cabbage coffee, cork ano.
No.
Yes.
No.
We have to serve real coffee today.
No, I'll make them. I'll get over. I'll come over and I'll make them.
No.
I'll make them.
Joe, listen to me. These will take the orders. You help me with the milk.
Okay. Good luck out there. Okay, John, how can I help?
Joe, today we're gonna froth some milk. We get the jug with the milk, then we put it in. And that is your frothy milk. You pour in the milk like this.
You pour the milk?
Let's love sign. Pour. Pour. You sign. Pour. Good. Pour.
Joe, I'm taking the oil straight. Nathan, will you froth the milk, please?
Yes.
Be careful.
Okay.
Hello, kind sir.
Hello, sir. I would like a cappuccino, please.
What did you want to order?
Could I just get a latte, please? Thank
A
you.
latte.
Thank you.
Ugh.
Joe, what are you doing?
Look, all these coffees, and we only have one frother.
Joe,
Joe,
relax.
relax.
Oh, excuse me, John. Oh.
What the?
Frother! Can we make coffee now?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
The holder here to grind the beans. Then you put it in tightly, and then coffee here will pour out. And you
I
put
will.
it hot. Joe, people can drink the coffee now.
Great.
Drink the coffee. Let's What's love sign? Drink. Drink. U sign. Drink. Good. Drink.
Go to this table tower.
That's also a milk.
Have a nice day and thank you for coming to the cafe.
Bye.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.
Come here, come here.
That's a great idea. Will you help me with one more delivery?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Bye, John. Thank you.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Nathan was bringing me to the school to meet his friends. Oh! Hello, everybody. I'm with my friend Nathan, and he asked me to give you a special delivery. Gonna get some carrots! We're gonna make these carrots into a cake by using magic. Are you ready? Yeah! Watch. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, cake. Take one cake each. You take that one for you. It's for you. Thank you, Nathan. Thank you, everybody.